stop. Thanks for tuning in into my channel. This is probably the most important video I've ever made on YouTube, guys. This is the most important video. This video will change your life. I'm talking from experience. And today I'm here to give you 1, 2, or 3 tips on how this video is going to change your life forever. Okay? Number 1, before we even start writing down points and what so on, guys, thanks for tuning in. I share really cool videos, and I would like you to watch and share, subscribe for more. So before we do anything, I would like you to please get a piece of paper and pen. Write down this, okay? Number 1, stop watching, listening, hanging out with stupid people and listening to things that don't really help you. When I talk about listening to good videos or content, I'm talking about motivational videos, guided meditation videos, or podcasts or something. Guys, listen to useful things that can help you in life. Number 2, choose your friends widely. There is a YouTuber I was following on Instagram, on YouTube, and then she was a very good hair influencer. So she opened up a salon somewhere in Ghana or something like that. So she made really this salon look so good, and she didn't know she was surrounded by sharks. This young girl was poisoned on the same day she did the launching for her salon. The people she invited to celebrate and enjoy with her were her own enemies. So they poisoned her. She lost her life the same day. So surround yourself with good people. Leave the toxic people. Leave the jealousy people. You can tell when someone is jealousy of you. You can tell when a family member doesn't like you. Cut out these people, guys. Maybe I'm a different person, but I've cut all the people out of my life that are really full of jealousy, negativity. Those people I've cut out of my life. Number 3, repeat positive affirmations. I'll give you an example. You can get a mirror every day and you say something that you want to become. For example, on my lives, the daily, I'm going to start making my positive affirmations, and it will always go like this. I'll look in the mirror on my lives and say these words. I do not chase. I only attract. What doesn't belong to me is not mine. Or what belongs to me will find me. That will be my affirmation, my positive affirmation for the next 30 days. Guys, I will interrupt. I want you to come back here after 30 days or 2 months or a year and leave that comment in the comment section below if this video has made a change in your life. It will make a change in your life, but I just want you to come. You just have to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's go back to tip number 5, okay? Do some work towards your goals. Everybody has goals. You have goals in life. So do some work towards your goals in life. Number 6, be patient and be prepared. Have some preparations, then do something. And every entrepreneur learns from failing. So don't fail the first time, the second time, third time, and you just give up your idea. No, just learn from your mistakes and make it better. Number 7, I've already talked about it. Listen to guided meditation every day. It can be about money. It can be about self-love. It can be about it can be about anything that you want to. It can be about love, money, success, everything that you want to. I can even give you an idea. You can go on Google, maybe Pinterest or something, and get things like that. Okay? But the thing is that write these things down that make something, that means something to you, and you'll be good. For example, 1 year ago, I just got hold of, I usually I write notes around, you see those, you see these, I usually write down certain things, and I only had, I think, something like zero subscribers or something, but here come. You subscribe now, okay? And really, I've outgrown that process. I'm a different person now. I'm a different, I have a very different mind setting. I'm in a better place, and this is why I'm sharing. I've also seen from other people, other YouTubers with 6 million subscribers and so on. Learn how to manifest things. God listens. Be grateful to God. When you ask, He gives. When you don't ask, what happens? So it's better you always be grateful to God. He lets things happen. When you ask and He doesn't give immediately, then you know it's not your time. Or maybe it's not good for you. But He keeps blessing people. And everything takes its time. You just have to add your twist onto things, and things will happen. Thanks for watching.